Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin inside the Shein app and Act Now. Sign in and go to Profile, then Wallet so you can confirm the exact dollar balance. Once done, make sure your account country and displayed currency match the wallet funds. Mismatches block use. You should also check that no vouchers are auto-applied that change payable amount. Why this matters? The wallet only applies when the app recognizes compatible currency and account settings, so correcting them immediately avoids checkout errors. You proceed to checkout with the items you want and tap payment method. Then select Shein Wallet. This is the only direct way to use wallet funds, so prioritize it as the primary payment option. If your wallet covers part of the total, make sure to add a secondary card or payment for the remainder before confirming. Once selected, review shipping, discounts, and final total, because the wallet applies pre-tax and after eligible promo adjustments, which affects how much external payment you need. You complete the transaction by confirming the order. Immediately verify the confirmation page and email that the wallet amount was deducted. If the wallet option failed, first update the app and recheck currency and account country settings. Most failures come from mismatched locale or outdated app. If problems persist, take screenshots of your wallet balance and any error messages, then contact Shein support. Doing this speeds resolution, so you recover funds or retry the single valid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.